Hello, it's 10:56 on the 21st, the 4th, 2005. You're listening to a very irate and annoyed trader. I've just spent the best part of 3 hours on a live recording of my trades today in the market, and loads of useless stuff as usual, only for the video to cock up at the end. And that's not a technical phrase, that's my polite version. I've done an hour and 10 minutes today just for it all to disappear, and Camtasia does not create a backup that I can see until you click stop, and then it's supposed to go off and create the video file. And I did click stop and nothing happened, and I felt like chucking my laptop out the window. So annoying, because there's nothing better than doing it in real time when people can see the clock. So to cover that, because if I put this online, it's easy to trade after the fact. I'm going to just go through my tweets, which are not time and date stamped to the hour. Sorry, they are time and date stamped to the hour, but not the minute. I don't know if you can get down to that, but anyone that's been following public feed will have had these already. So I'm trying to be as clear and open, as honest as you can be. I am really so annoyed. Camtasia's, it's good, but it's got some. I've never had that happen before. It has some strange ways of working. The way it's just weird with its libraries and projects and the way it does stuff. It's not the easiest bit of software in the world, and obviously no one's ever shown me to use it. And of course I don't RTFM it, read the flaming manual, or even look at the help files. You just muddle through it. But anyway, let's get back to what we should be doing. Very easy today, very easy. Let's just go back to this, and again, you have to take my word for it that this is what we did. But I say the Twitter backs it all up anyway. Very easy. I've had all sorts of problems with his IG charts, by the way, not with that, but going back it seems to have a limitation of going backwards, even though the calendar will go back forever. It doesn't seem to pick the data up even 2 or 3 months ago. 3 months ago, but it's not what we're here for. Let me just see if I can work out how to do this. I only want a very narrow range. I don't want that rubbish. So all trades today were off the 5 minutes. Obviously went wrong there. So very quick for me today. I had 2 open trades from, I'm not sure if these in yesterday's video. Get off. Lose the focus on Windows. Anyway, shouldn't have the focus. That mouse over, as an ex-programmer, that mouse over should disappear when you lose focus from the application. May well be Chrome. Anyway, don't want to get involved in that. I'm angry enough as it is. Not really angry, it's just annoying. So I had 2 open trades from the 20th, from yesterday, from 64 and 53, which I closed on the open 21. Oh, sorry, of the 21st. Sorry, I should read at 80. So nothing really spectacular on the open. We're on an uptrend. I was expecting the market to go back up to 7100. I'm not sure if the tweets say that. Let's just say where the first tweet came, or end of yesterday. I was looking for the trend line to break, and I can't see on this side. I don't want to mess about too much, otherwise I'll probably lose this as well. So start of the morning, you can read it as well. I'm not going to read it out. It was actually wrong. It was 2 longs, and it was from 64 and 53. So I was close, but no cigar. Then on the open, I added at 60. Just have a look. Why did I add at 60? 60 level on the open. We've got this little opening reversal. Really could do with making this bigger, but knowing me, I'll probably cock it all up. Excuse my language. I'll probably mess it all up. Again, all trades today off the 5 minute chart. Why does that? Anyway, it's annoying. Why do the people invent computers? We'll get there in the end. Anyway, so I say these aren't time and date stamped. The video was, but anyway. So I did it at 60. Not rocket science. It still doesn't lose its focus when you go off the tab. Anyway, so added up here, looking for 7100 would be ideal, which fortunately we did get there. So that was why I said I closed. Bailed out on 3 longs 80, probably too early. I was just wanted to bank some profits. Ideally would have held up here, but sorry, I thought I'd held, but I haven't. I got out at 80. I'm happy. So 3 longs, 80, probably too early, but profit's profit. 67 from yesterday, and this one here for this is oh yeah, sorry, I did it 60. I'm a bit confused here, but anyway, it's difficult when you're recording and trading and you're trying to keep your spreadsheet and your Twitter and everything else going as well. But so now change to short at 85. Yeah, it was 3. Bailed out on 3 longs. 60. No, that's right. Bailed out on 3 longs. Sorry, I'm going around in circles. Tells you how annoyed I am. I'm just tired actually. Yeah, probably too early. Short at 65. So short at 85 on here. I did wash and wipe short at 98, which is this trade here. And you can see what a wash and wipe is. It's classic. You hit a magic number, either 00 or 50. I mean, 7100 is a massive number in the market at the moment. If you do a bit of research and go back and have a look, massive number. It's a significant number. 00 always is, but 71 is because it's obviously been the highs, FTSE highs for a long time. So wash and wipe basically goes up. What did we get to the highest? Only 104. People have got out of the, quite a lot of traders have been long into this, and fair play. If you'd have been on right from the open down here, bang on the open, you'd have made whatever this is from on the open. You'd have made nearly 50 points, 48 points on that. So fair play to them. So I bailed on that. Then I went short at 85. Making sense. Short at 85. Short at 85. Something's coming back to me. It's been a long day already, and it's only 11 o'clock. So short at 85, which is this one here. And I went short at 98, which, oh yeah, sorry, it makes sense now. Until I've had a frustrating day. So shorted up here, then added again up here, highest 98. Wasn't technically I was looking to get the high. Technically a wash and wipe. I'm still adding because of this. The basis of that, and again this was in the video, which was done live. Honestly, if it breaks these highs, then I'll just bail. So this high is telling you that you need to get out if it breaks above that fairly easy. Then I was on and off the video. I didn't run the video all morning. Started to come down. Nothing significant. And then basically I was, I could have taken some profit. I took profit on these at on there. Which one? Yeah, I took an early bit of profit on at the 80. So I made the risk up here. So I took some profit off the table at 80 in this mess here, just to bank some profit. And that's probably in this lot. Sorry, it's a bit confusing. And what's the Twitter say? Short at 85. Added wash and wipe short at 98. Yeah, 98 and 85. Then I went for a bacon sandwich, which is all this bit of messing around here. 9 o'clock. They really didn't do much. It's obviously 5-minute chart. So it's probably easy to go through this actually. Yeah, here we go. Get to 60 so I can close trades and live video for a day. Well, I did close a live video and it bust. So it's 45 minutes ago, at least we're now within the hour. So I was just waiting for it to drift down to 50. It dicked about, for want of a technical phrase, down here. And I wasn't, I was quite determined to see what would happen if we break 50. Because I was already well in the money. If we pop back up to 55, it wouldn't have really been an issue on these two. I really didn't. Oh, it's nice. It would have been another minus 10, wouldn't it? It would have been 30 and 43. But who can complain with that? So it broke 50 down here. I didn't get out on the first bite. I held, and I was looking to see if we could get lower. And if I say it on the video again, I'm going to shoot myself. I was looking for down to 30 level. If you look on the chart, you can probably work it out. And I did say I would not let it go back above 50. So we hung around, we hung around, we hung around. We were bored as death. And then I got out at 50 again. I had an order in to close at 50 just in case it did what it did and I couldn't get it. So plus 103 for today. Very happy. I'm done. That's it. I'm not bothered what happens now. I'm going to go and I'm not going to go and drown my sorrows because I'm still on crutches and I can't walk. So my girlfriend's not here, so I can't walk to the pub. It's too far, and she's out on a motorbike. Driving a motorbike on crutches is quite funny. Not to be recommended, but it's quite funny. But so I'm all on my lonesome, so I can't go out for a beer. So I'm just going to go and do something else for the rest of the day, and put a picture of Camtasia up on the wall and throw darts to it, I think. So obviously not as good as an hour-long video, but a bit more precise maybe. I've only been on it now for 11 minutes, so we've had a condensed version of the video, so it won't take long to process. I still need to find somewhere to host them. Just a bit reluctant. I've got a few now live trades that I've been doing recently. I've been trying to record them just because it makes it a bit more interesting. Mainly for reasons why I'm doing what I'm doing. It's been a good few months. Anything else on Twitter? Let me just yeah, bacon sandwich. This is because I was telling it on the thing that got deleted to get to 50, which it did, and then it crashed. We crashed for 103. So at the end of the day, would I like my video to have worked and made 10 points? No. I'd much rather make a load of points and having to swear at Camtasia. So at the end of the day, it's not been so bad. And that's it. I'm just going to show you what we're up to this month. If I can. It's been a really good month this month. No major disasters, he says. I've had one, I think. Well, not disaster, I had a couple of bad days on that. There's a video going up. Oh yeah, I did have one disaster. Minus 148. 21st, I haven't updated the total. That's how new this is. What was it, 103? So I put 0 in just so it was on the chart. 103. So we're up 702. Shame about these. I think from memory I have done a video already up to halfway through this month, and you'll hear me shouting at myself. But I also explained what I thought was going to happen, but I got it totally wrong. Which is a real shame because there would have been stupid points. Well, we are stupid points already, to be honest, but would have been even more stupid points. But we made it back. 135, 121, 220. That was a lucky trade. I can't remember. I think I've done this video anyway. It doesn't matter. I think the video stops here on the 17th. I was very, very lucky on that. It was a trade I shouldn't have taken. Yeah, I haven't done that. I did that one this morning, and that'll be published soon. I don't know where I'm going to put them, by the way. I'll tweet it when they're up. YouTube's a favourite, but to be honest, you get. I mean, you can disable comments, which I think is a bit. It's a bit. I don't know. It's a bit. I don't know what the word is. It's a bit. Well, A, it's not very friendly, and B, it's, you know, if people have got genuine comments or questions, then that's fair enough. You know, I don't mind answering them. But if anyone that's been on YouTube, especially not people that's selling stuff, I'm not selling this. At the moment, I'm doing it all for free. I will be selling it again soon because I actually like doing it. And yeah, make a few quid out of it. But if you work that out by the cost of the software and the hours it takes to do the videos and be on the microphone and everything else, it doesn't work out to be a great lot. Not compared to not compared to what money I could actually make just by probably sitting here and trading. But it's, I used to enjoy the social side of it until it all went peak tongue, as they say. But and I need to do it because I miss it. So I will be doing it at some point. But you put stuff on YouTube and you can disable comments, or you can enable them. Obviously, I think it's enabled by default. But you do get some. I'm not going to swear. You do get some interesting people, especially in something like this, where you say, "Oh yeah, it's all too easy. You can make it up. You you can fix your clock. You can fix your clock on your computer. You can diddle the charts, and you can do this. And there's no way you did that. Or this is wrong, and this is wrong. And to be honest, I don't need the hassle. I don't think anyone needs the hassle. I've seen some. I don't watch trading videos on YouTube on purpose, but I watch hobbyist videos. You know, things I'm interested in, and some obscure ones. Don't get me wrong. And some of the comments you read at the bottom are just, you know, they're just wrong. There's no need for it. Someone's gone to the time and effort. You know, some of the videos are stupid, fair enough. Some of them are, you know, but some of the comments are good. But some of the negative ones, it's, you know, people just want to throw stones, nothing else to do. So I don't know if they're going on YouTube or not. Look at other places where you can stick them somewhere a bit not safer, but a bit where like only people on Twitter feed can get to and stuff like that. Although it's not very good for advertising, but I'd much rather do that than get people that haven't got a clue what they're doing, just you know, trying to say stuff they have no idea about. But anyway, that's enough about that. That's a little rant for me. So a really good month so far, apart from the two cock-ups. Last month on a bit of a roll, but sorry, the last month was bonkers. And again, I've done a video on this, and all this is rubbish. These trades here I should never have taken. I'm happy to say that I shouldn't have taken these. These were, I could have lost all my points for the month on these. These were, you know, not stupid trades. Well, they were really. Even though I made, you know, decent points on them, as you can see, I've never made 500 points on one trade. But you come down here, some of these I just ran and ran and ran. Well, actually, the big ones weren't too bad. There was a few bad ones in this, well, especially the last one. But this one I was like all over 7,000. I was holding, you know, from 752. Yeah, these are the ones that I did hold. I was just convinced that this 7,000 was. So I did this spreadsheet and did the Twitter, and then I did the video, and I looked at the chart and I went, oh no, what did I do? I shouldn't have done that. Even though it worked out, it's just wrong. It's not my style. So no one gets it right all the time. And January, February, another good month. Again, all tweeted live. This is the stops you should be getting. You should be doing these stops. Sod the rest. You can always get back in. But anyway, I digress a little bit. But I'm a bit less stressed now after losing an hour and whatever the video was, an hour and 20 minutes or something ridiculous. But anyway, you've had the shortened version, nice and easy today, and that's I've got my everything closed now. I'm gonna bring my girlfriend up, find out where she is, see if she can take me to the pub, and come back tomorrow. So thanks for listening. So if you followed on the Twitter, I think that was the last one on Twitter. Let me just double check. Yeah, that was my last angry Twitter post. Where are we now? 57. We're just going to chop around now. Obviously, we're more likely to go up than we're going to go down. If you do want to trade, if we can bounce back down at 50 and carry on up, we could get 20, 30 points this afternoon. Obviously, if you do that and you break below 50, or if you break below these lows here, give yourself a little bit of room. If you break below 40, then you need to bail, because it could go a long way down from here. Because that 7,000 is obviously a big number, but so is 7,100. And the USA was up yesterday, I believe. Asia was up yesterday, and we've sort of gone up and then come back down again. So, well, we'll have to see what happens. But I'll pick it up tomorrow. That's it. It's gone up to 20 minutes. Thanks for listening, and I hope anyone that's been following the Twitter made some points. If not, then use the Twitter and print the Twitter out. The only thing is the time. There's a time that goes to hours and stuff. But I always put the levels, the values in there, so you can match that up with the charts. Print it all out, and you can do some study for yourself. I'm just going to fill for 30. But well, I can't keep up with it. Another 20 seconds, just like someone on TV where someone's winding them down, just so I can stop this dead on. 20 minutes, just because you can. So I'd look for a retrace back up, as I said. But if you're going long now, then you need to just put your stop lower of the day and see what happens. But anyway, sorry for messing the first one up, but hope you get something out of it, and see you soon.